Nothing beats the smell of freshly baked bread filling your kitchen. Golden crust, soft center, and made entirely by you. This is no fast homemade bread recipe brings bakery level goodness straight to your oven. No fancy equipment required. Like and subscribe. In a large mixing bowl, combine the dry yeast and the room temperature water. Whisk gently until the yeast is fully dissolved and combined. In a separate bowl, combine the flour and sea salt, stir until evenly mixed. Dust the dough lightly with flour, cover with a clean towel, and let it rest for 30 minutes. After resting, fold the dough gently over itself a few times, then cover again. Fold the dough once more, then portion in 2 small, equal pieces. Shape each piece into a round bun or place them on a parchment-lined hotel pan or baking tray. Cover and let it rise for another 30 minutes. Tick, 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 tick. oven to 450 Fahrenheit on convection bake. Cover the pan with a lid or foil and bake for 15 minutes. Remove the lid and bake for another 15 minutes, turning the pan halfway through to ensure even color. Remove from the oven and let it rest for 10 minutes before enjoying your warm homemade buns. Bon appetit!